Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I'm only half throttle on 8S. I'm afraid if I go full throttle on 12S, I will break the motor mounts, rip things apart.
Whoa. Oh.
Yeah, now it's picking up.
Oh.
Half throttle only.
Assalamu alaikum, greetings, Ali Sharma here. This is Intex Challenger, 3 persons inflatable boat. This is a big boat, man. High output air pump. Aha! What? Now, just don't inhale it when you open the wall to deflate the boat. This can be my bed at night. What we need now is an outboard electric motor. So, let's DIY build one. Welcome to my little woodworking workshop. Just add this plywood piece up there. I believe this is by far the strongest bond that you can have. Check this out. awesome, isn't it? The DIY electric outboard motor is ready. Now do remember that this motor right here is designed for surfboards or SUPs, stand-up boards. It's definitely not designed to propel a boat of this size with 3 or 4 people in it. We claim that this motor does have power. I would like to test it on this boat and see how much power, how much speed, and how much runtime we're gonna get. So let's install this on this boat. Let me show you how easy it's gonna be. And the outboard electric, DIY electric engine is installed. And this speed controller is also waterproof. You can basically put it down there in the water so it can keep cooling down with the water or by the water and will never heat up. Or you can just mount it here anywhere on the boat depending on your requirements. Batteries are charged. Why not we take this baby out and have ourselves a ride in the river. Testing my homemade DIY outboard electric engine on 8 cells. I need to do 3D print for this engine. It has to be very sleek so it can cut water. Right now there's a lot of water that is causing drag. The motor is too powerful. Motor is too powerful. I'm only half throttle on 8S. I'm afraid if I go full throttle on 12S, I will break the motor mounts, rip things apart. Full power on 8S. We need to add more air in this boat. Okay, now it's time to test 12S. I found the ESC getting slightly warm. I think I have to mount the ESC in the water, underwater as well.
Wow. Oh.
Yeah, now it's picking up. Half throttle only, fine up, no full throttle.
No good.
We have such a big boat, we have 5 people in the boat, and this thing is designed for surfboards, not for boats actually. But I'm surprised how well it's doing its job actually. Yeah, pull is nice.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Why right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right